So one of the most fun things that we've ever crystallized are the Bose headphones. And this used to be my set, but my husband wears them now, so I had to make some pink ones for me. But this is a really simple thing that anyone could do. And you could use either the Gem Tack, the Dreamtime adhesive we call that, or you could use E6000, either one. And on these we used Capri Blue SS20, and there's probably half gross of those total on here. So you're just going to apply your glue and set your crystals in and let it dry. And then on the headphone part here, we used crystal and black diamond. And there's probably a couple hundred. I'd have to get an exact count to tell you for sure. But it's just a very simple thing, and it adds bling to your everyday life. Just think how happy you are every time you pull these out and put them on. They're just a great little fun project. And you can get everything you need at dreamtimecreations.com.